Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use L-Arginine before your workout. L-Arginine is an amino acid crucial for nitric oxide production in your body. This process helps relax blood vessels, leading to improved blood flow. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your working muscles, potentially boosting your performance and endurance during exercise. It's a simple way to support your fitness goals. For optimal results, consider a dosage between 3 and 6 grams of L-Arginine. It's best to consume it about 30 to 60 minutes before you begin your exercise session. This timing allows the supplement to be absorbed and start working effectively as you warm up. Always remember to check the specific product instructions and adjust the amount based on how your body responds. L-Arginine is available in various forms. You can easily mix powdered L-Arginine with water, juice, or your favorite pre-workout drink. If you prefer convenience, capsules are a great option, providing a pre-measured dose. Some people also like to combine L-Arginine with other supplements like citrulline for an enhanced effect, creating a powerful pre-workout blend. Before adding any new supplement to your routine, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing health conditions. Pay close attention to how your body reacts to L-Arginine and adjust your dosage accordingly. Staying well hydrated is also crucial when using this supplement to support its effectiveness and your overall well-being during workouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.